You've heard of unicorns, but did you know they actually exist in the sea? Meet the narwhal. These mysterious creatures live deep in the Arctic, where few people ever see them. Their long spiral tusk, it's not a horn, it's actually a tooth, that can grow up to 10 feet long. Narwhals can dive over 5,000 feet. That's deeper than most submarines. And that tusk? Scientists believe it's filled with nerves, helping narwhals sense their surroundings, almost like sonar. They travel in pods and communicate using clicks and whistles. But studying them is tough. They live in some of the coldest, most remote waters on Earth. They're real, rare, and still full of mystery. The ocean's unicorn, the narwhal,